Hello! So I just got back from the great state of Texas, and lo and behold, my Samsung S22 Ultra showed up at my door. Now, the last time I went to Texas and came home, my Pixel 6 showed up, so maybe I should take more trips out to Texas. But all kidding aside, this S22 Ultra is a special limited edition color. Now Samsung, they had to sweeten up the deal a little bit, so they threw in a wireless charger. And you know I don't take my phones out naked. So of course I had to pick up a case, and this case is from Torras. So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, you know what time it is. Boxy time. Front of the box it says S22, at the bottom it says Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now what I think is different about this box compared to like maybe some of the other boxes is these three colors right here. These are the limited edition colors that you can get from Samsung.com only. So that kind of makes this box a little bit special. This side of the box it says Samsung. This side of the box it says Galaxy S22 Ultra. And then on the back of the box it talks about, you know, what you're getting inside the box. But alright y'all, let's get inside. Okay, go ahead and pull this bad boy out. But before I flip it over and let you know the color that I got, let me know in the comments down below which color are you guessing that I picked up.
Please comment below. We are waiting on you. You can do it. Thank you.
All right, here we go.
Ooh, baby.
That is pretty, man. And what's nice too is the accent of the lenses really does pop off. Very nice. Yes. All right, let's see the S Pen. Oh, sweet. The S Pen is that same color too. Nice. All right, and then here's gonna be the SIM eject tool, USB-C to USB-C cable, and quick start guide. Yeah, that's another thing too, is it's not a glossy finish on the back. Even if I were to take this out naked, it doesn't collect fingerprints at all. All right, so before I go any further, let me slap the case on. So like I said, this case is by Torras. Case for smartphone, simple but unique. Worry-free quality products, worldwide happy users, and 10 plus years of concentration. Now normally I do get speaking cases, but this time, this case was crying out to me. All right, and here she is. Let's go ahead and slap it on. Okay, this is a pretty nice case. Okay, buttons are still very clicky and tactile. Now I wanted to show off the color of the phone because it is, like I said, special edition. So that's why I went with that clear frosted back. Now what's nice about this case too is it has a kickstand. In my opinion, it's a must. But what's nice about this kickstand is it's pretty rugged. So it can go up at basically any angle. Goes down like that, or like that. But now that we have the phone out, got my case on, let me put my SIM card in it and set this bad boy up. I'll be right back with you. All right, so I have everything transferring right now, but in the meantime, let's take a look at this wireless charger. So it says it's compatible with a Galaxy phone, Buds, iPhone, and AirPods. On this side it says wireless charger sans fil, and it says the same thing on this side as well. On the back, we're getting 9 watts of fast wireless charging, and it says LED dimming mode. Okay, whatever that is. But let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so here's gonna be the wireless charging pad itself. Got ourselves a quick start guide. Ooh, look at this. Surprise, surprise, this actually comes with a charging brick. And then of course, the charging brick wouldn't work if it didn't have this cable. Pretty long cable. We got a USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable. All right, so since the phone is quite not ready yet, let's try it with the Pixel. Bam. Charging as it should. There we go again. Okay. Up front, we got a little LED indicator. I guess that's the 10% LED dimming indicator. I don't know. But yeah, it works.
3:28 a.m.
All right, and we're finally done. But in reality, it really didn't take that long. I mean, it really depends on how much stuff you have to transfer over to your new device. Samsung makes it pretty easy, whether you have an iPhone or you have an Android phone, to switch all your data, your apps, your pictures, all that stuff to the new phone. But what more can I say other than, yes, I'm going to miss my Pixel features, but then again, I think I'm going to put to use the S Pen on my S22 Ultra. Not to mention, this screen looks fabuloso. It's bright, it's vivid, it's fast. I mean, realistically, if you want an Ultra phone that can do it all, the Samsung S22 Ultra is your jam. But if you want to see another video that the YouTube gods guarantee that you're going to love, then go ahead and click or tap on the screen. And if you want to become a member, then go ahead and click that join button down below. But until next time, Handsome Nation, thank you and have a good one.